Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to do a quick repairing or a factory reset of your Antlion Audio ModMic Wireless. Keep watching to find out how. Okay, so to reset or repair your Antlion Audio ModMic Wireless headset, very simple. All you need to do is, with both of the devices on and connected, so we've got our receiver here, and this is obviously the microphone. When it's actually on, press and hold the center button until the blue light starts flashing. And it will flash slightly quicker. Then on the receiver, press and hold until that starts flashing also. It will change speeds of the flashing. And very shortly after that's done, you'll see that they have now synchronized together. So there you go. Very quick and simple, easy to do. Hopefully this is helpful to somebody out there. If it is, don't forget to smash the like button and leave us a comment in the comment section below. But for now, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.